Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to make a quick tutorial about Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 guys. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you guys that how you actually can get a copy of the game guys for free. So if you want to learn how to do this, then watch the video until the end. I'm going to share with you all the steps I did for myself so you can learn it also how to do it on the platform that you are playing, okay, by yourself. So all you have to do guys, you just need to grab your smartphone in your hand. It doesn't matter the device you're using. It can be iOS, it can be Android. I'm going to open the screen record of my phone here as you can see. And to share with you all the steps you need to follow in order to get a copy of the game for free. So basically guys, we're going to get a game code and I'm going to share with you how you can do this, okay? So just go to your internet browser guys. You can use Safari, you can use Google, any kind of internet browser you prefer. Go and search about this site. It's called lulucoupons.com. All right, so this is the site. So you enter inside of it guys. You have a lot of other things you can check later. I'm going to make dark mode the background. You can use the searching bar here in the top, or you can just scroll it down and check for the game. All right, and here it is, ours right here. Just press the code guys to get the code and then show coupon code guys, and you just need to wait a couple of seconds so this circuit to get complete 100%. They are checking the validity of the coupons and this says the coupon is valid. Okay, the next step is to get the full code, and the code is locked for now, so you just need to press on it and then it's going to take the next page when it's required to complete little task in order to unlock the code full for free. So basically all you have to do, you just need to read the instructions at the top. It's pretty simple to do it. Anyway, I'm going to share with you as well how to do it as well. So basically it says download the complete 2 apps below to unlock Kingdom Come Deliverance 2 game code, and you have a note: do not use VPN or proxy. Probably if you're gonna use that, it's going to fail as a process. Okay, so all you have to do guys, as you can see, you have this list of the apps. All of them, they are for free, so you don't have to pay anything, and all these apps are from App Store and Play Store, so you don't have to worry. And what you need to do, you just need to choose two of these two apps to complete it. As you can see, there are a couple of apps which are very simple, just to download them to run for 30 seconds. If you have TikTok already, then you should not do TikTok, otherwise it will not work. You should choose an app which you didn't have it before on your device, okay? If you don't have, for example, TikTok, you can do this one. It's very simple to do it. So how it works, I'm going to choose Evertail. You just press on it, unlock now. It's going to redirect me to App Store in this case because I'm using iPhone, but if you have Android, it's going to take you to Play Store. And we got connected with App Store and just downloaded the app and just need to run it for 30 seconds, this app. All right, so once it's get okay, just need to open it and then to run it for 30 seconds. All right, so once I'm going to do here, I'm going then back to the side to get the second one. Okay, I'm gonna do Lumus VPN. It's very simple as well. Press on it again to App Store. Okay, download it, also this one. Okay, we need now just to open it. So guys, now I'm going to show you how you can reveal the code and use it. Okay, so basically now you just go back again to the site. All right, and then you have this back button down. You just go back to the site again and the code gets revealed guys after you complete the tasks. You just copy the code guys, and then now I'm gonna put it here now to try it. Okay, and agree and continue, and as you can see, activation successfully. So this is it guys. I hope it was helping useful. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe my channel, don't forget to press the like button. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section guys. I'll be very happy to get in touch with you and try to help with everything you need. Okay, see you in the next videos guys. Cheers.